Hey guys, welcome back to Hely Handmade. So today I am doing stuff with my hair. I'm not dyeing it yet because I'm waiting on a colour still, but we are going to be using the MARK HILL Mermaid Waver because I got very excited on my birthday and had to buy it, so that's what we're doing. This is what it looks like. Huge, but looks awesome. I've already turned it on so I don't have to wait for it to heat up. It means I don't have to wait too long. I also got the MARK HILL smoothing brush, which is this attachment. I need to already take my hair out of it, which I used last night, and I will try and insert a clip either here or all over the face. And I really do like this, but I think I've used quite a bit of hair product, so it probably hasn't gone as smooth as I want, but obviously I've slept on it, so it's not going to be as smooth as I want by the next day because my hair needs thinning. It's way too thick. Let me just, you know when you've already got onto it now, I just need to remove the hair. There we go. That's some of it. I'll put you there for now until I get to the bin. But these are brilliant and absolutely, I really do like this smoothing brush, it's great. But let's put that, hold on, let's put it in my hair drawer, that would make more sense, it's right in front of me. Actually, I'll give a comparison. That works a lot better than the Lee Stafford Coco Loco? Yeah, Coco Loco brush. This just pulls on my hair, and with me having nerve damage in the back of my head, it's not good. I mean, it's a really good idea, but the MARK HILL one definitely is a lot better than this massive paddle brush. Oh, beautiful hairstyle. I might just leave it like this. We'll try this. I can already feel how hot it is. I know it goes up to 185 degrees, which to me didn't sound like much, but in the long term, I think that's quite a bit. Right, let's go in. Let's give this a go. I don't think. Oh, got a wave. Didn't think that went then. Oh yes. Going to move my camera over in a minute because we're a little bit that way. Oh, that looks so nice. Oh, I really like that. Oh, it's pretty. Let's get on with the rest. Oof. I got my ear. You can tell I'm not very good at hair, I keep burning myself. That one didn't really come out. To be fair, that I'm not very good at styling hair. Let's try and move you a bit. So there we go. Now you're more in the centre. Sort of. I think I need to do it again at this back bit because it's just not doing it. I will say I have already put heat protector on before doing this, so I would advise you putting heat protector on your hair if you don't want to damage it. Oh, see, look, I keep burning myself. I need to really stop this. I might have to refilm this another day without burning myself. That would probably be a better idea, wouldn't it? So that's a bit better. It's not great, but it's better than it was. Not bad for a first attempt though. But these first curls, oh, they're pretty. Oh, I like that. Right, let's have a go at this side. Stop burning myself. I'm going to leave that for the first layer. I mean, I definitely need some practice, especially in the art form of not burning myself, like here, I've got my ears, behind my neck. I'm doing my, oh, there's a little dimple in my cheek. Anyway, yes, I need a lot more practice because it's been a long time since I've styled my hair anything other than having it straight or having it in a bun or pigtails. I don't use that much heat styling products other than my straighteners. I think as well I need to cut down. I need to make sure that the pieces of my hair that I'm sectioning are a lot more even, but we'll get there. I feel like my left side is going to turn out a lot better than the right. And I'm only leaving this on for about 5 seconds at a time. Definitely the left side's coming out much nicer than my right side. I'm just glad I got my lefts and rights correct. It's not often that happens. You know, I've got flat bits, but they don't want to come out. Come on. No, it's not really taking on this side. Ooh, that one's lovely. I like that one. That one didn't come out as nicely. I'll leave it at that. Let's turn it off. If I do any more, I'm going to damage my hair, so I feel like I've been overexposed the whole time because my ring light's over here. I didn't really want to put it right in front of me, but I think if I turn it off, yeah, you can see it a bit better. I mean, now this side that was looking fantastic is now not looking as great as this side, but with some practice I think I can get this down quite well. Oh, but it is pretty, just look at that. Living my mermaid fantasy. Oh, love it. Just wish I could swim like a mermaid. I just can't do that like underwater. I can do on top of this like water, but underwater I'm not a big fan of. I mean, that's not going to help me if I ever want to become a mermaid, because, you know, they're under the sea. Ow! I really did burn myself, so I recommend, if possible, try not to angle it to any part of your skin, away from face if possible, but obviously I have these weird hands and nerves and they don't want to do that, so we're going to practice and attempt not to burn myself. My sleeve is coming up, do you mind? But either way, I really like this product, really like it. The effect on my hair is beautiful. I may have to put it up just because this side's no longer as pretty as this side. I think maybe if you do like one side at a time, once you finish it, I think the best thing is maybe find like a flexible hairspray, so a flexible hold hairspray, and sort of spray that over to keep it sort of in place, and then it won't flatten as easily, but it's still very pretty. If you're looking to buy it, I would. I mean, this is at the moment, the mermaid one is like the top seller because everyone's trying it, everyone's using it. I might do a redemption one at some point when I've actually figured out how to use it properly. Yeah. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and a comment, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more of me, and thank you for watching. Bye.